I swear, all these squirrels in my garden, they're gonna make me go nuts. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another very exciting episode right here on the MIgardener channel. In today's episode, I'm gonna be giving you a bunch of tips on how to keep squirrels from digging up your garden. Let's go. So when it comes to squirrels in the garden, they can definitely be a super big nuisance. Now, squirrels do in fact actually steal things like tomatoes from your garden, but they also will dig up your bulbs. Like in our case, our garlic here, we just planted this last week, and we're finding that there's garlic sitting on top of the soil, and that's really frustrating. But there's a few things you can do to keeping squirrels out of your garden, or at least limit the damage that they can do. And the first thing you can do is by cleaning up the nuts that fall on the ground faster. When it comes to having tons of nuts on the ground, you're literally keeping a food source right next to your garden. Now, I know this might seem a little daunting. I mean, granted, even for us, it's a little daunting, but check this out. Look at this, look at the ground. This is just one spot in our garden. Granted, a lot of these are caps, but the caps all went to a nut. And this year was a really crazy year for acorns. So by cleaning all these up in a timely fashion, definitely would help prevent the amount of food being buried in our garden, because open soil and nuts is a recipe for disaster. All right, tip number 2 comes from a guy named Dan the Squirrel Man. And Dan the Squirrel Man gave me this tip and I absolutely loved it. And he said that he has a lot of success with keeping squirrels at bay by giving them seeds that they can't bury. Seeds like sunflowers as well as peanuts are all seeds that they don't want to bury in the ground. Now, peanuts, they have to be out of the shell. You don't want to give them the actual peanut itself or they will bury that. But peanuts, whole peanuts, as well as sunflowers are seeds that they will not bury in the ground. So stay away from things like acorns, walnuts, any type of nut like that, any hard nut, because they are going to want to bury those in the ground, and obviously that's going to increase the amount of damage in the garden. But by feeding them, sounds counterproductive because you're going to be inviting a bunch of other animals into the area, but by feeding them, much like you would feed birds, you're going to be giving them a food source that keeps them occupied when it's kind of prime nut dropping season, when they would normally spend that time burying nuts in the ground. All right, tip number 3 to keeping squirrels out of your garden is by planting stuff that does not encourage digging. Now, I know that a lot of you are probably gonna say, Luke, it's my garden and I wanna plant what I want. And that's totally your prerogative. However, there are plants that encourage digging. Now, if you're planting things like garlic or onion sets, any type of bulb in the ground, that will actually encourage digging in the garden. If you plant things like peanuts without actually sprouting them first, that's a nut. They're going to love that. By planting seeds like pumpkin seeds, squash seeds, those are going to be seeds that they're going to be encouraged to dig up. And so by sprouting them first as a seedling and moving them in the ground, that's going to discourage digging, right? You're planting the plant. They don't want the plant. They want the seed. That's their food. By planting things like garlic, right, there's not a whole lot you can do, but you're going to encourage digging because they like to naturally dig up those bulbs. And so plant either, well, I'll give you some other methods if you have to plant garlic, because like we planted garlic and they dug it up. But if you want to completely remove any squirrel presence from your garden, avoiding the plants that they like to dig up is the best way to do it. Now, again, that's kind of curating your garden and you're letting them kind of dictate what you're planting, but sometimes it's better off just kind of, if you can't fight them, join them type scenario. So assuming you don't want squirrels to dictate what you plant in your garden, that brings us to tip number 4, chicken wire. In our case, it's rabbit wire, it's squirrel wire. We don't have chickens on the property, so we use this for a lot of other purposes. But chicken wire is great. You can also use any type of hardware cloth. All you have to do is just drape this stuff over top of your bed. Squirrels will not bother your beds that have chicken wire on top of them, and they will leave them alone. I just get these kind of, they make a lot of different lengths of it. 5-foot lengths, 3-foot lengths. This stuff is just stuff we had on hand. We got from Habitat for Humanity. So it was 10 cents for this whole roll. So basically you just take it and you lay it over top of your beds. So once your chicken wire is on the ground over top of your beds, the great thing is that this could just stay here until you're ready to pull it up. It could stay until the spring if you want, because of the fact that there's holes, the young leaves of the garlic can just pop right up through. Onion sets and stuff like that can just pop right up through. Now, if you're planting stuff like squash seeds or pumpkin seeds, anything like that, that might be a food source in the spring. Just simply keep it on there until you start to see sprouts forming and then pull it off. And the great thing about this is the fact that it's super reusable and it's very cheap. We got this whole roll from Habitat for Humanity for 10 cents. It was crazy. So you can definitely find it really inexpensively. And they make different lengths. You can also get it from any hardware store, basically. And this is probably one of the best ways to keep squirrels out of your garden, because the main thing is that they're encouraged to dig. And when you put a barrier up that discourages them from digging, they don't want to dig, obviously. Now this also, quick little tip, is great underneath your beds. If you have things like groundhogs, voles, or moles, going with a hardware cloth or a chicken wire, a really fine chicken wire. This might be a tad bit too large for voles and moles, but they make different diameter holes as well. By going with a smaller diameter hole underneath your raised beds is wonderful for preventing those pests as well. But that's the fourth way. Now let's talk about the fifth and final way to keep squirrels out of your garden. All right, and the fifth and final way to prevent squirrels in your garden is by using pepper spray. Not like mace like you'd be carrying around if you were afraid to be walking around town at night. No, we're talking pepper spray, as in just peppers you're growing in your garden, hot peppers. All you have to do is take about a quarter cup of any hot pepper of your choice. The hotter the better, but I like to use just any hot pepper generally. About a quarter cup, blend it into about a quart of water. Blend that up, strain it through some either cheesecloth or a kitchen strainer, put it into a spray bottle, and spray down anything that the squirrels may want to dig up. That means your seeds. Take your pumpkin seeds, spray them down with that pepper spray before you put them in the ground. That's going to prevent them. Spray down your tomatoes, right? If they're taking tomatoes off your plant, spray down your tomatoes. Now, you might want to wash your harvest before you go eat it, because that's going to be a real big surprise. But also, any other thing you can spray down as well. Spray down your garlic cloves, spray down your onion sets, spray them down, because squirrels are actually, they're going to be discouraged because of the spice that's on those. So if it's a food source, by spraying it down, that's going to help prevent them. And those are the five ways you can keep squirrels out of your garden. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope these tips really help you. I know that squirrels, especially in our area, it's like Steven Spielberg's The Birds, only it's like the squirrels. They're everywhere. And so they can really wreak havoc on the garden. And so trust me, we go through it every single year. So I hope some of these tips helped you. And if they did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with someone you heard having some squirrel problems in their garden. I think they might enjoy it. As always, this is Luke from the MIgardener channel, reminding you to grow bigger. Bye.